Hi and welcome to the Gemhawks YouTube channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day today. Very quick video today just to share with you the latest Relax and Craft subscription box. We are going to be unboxing today July 2025's Relax and Craft subscription box. So let's head down to the board and see what we have in store. So I have been keeping my eyes completely closed to what's coming up in this month's box because I wanted a total surprise. So I've just pre-cut the box so that it's open, and let's take a look inside. So you will always have information regarding your box, and you will always have the most beautiful tissue paper sealed with loving care. So let's open this up and take a gander inside. Well, that's exciting, isn't it? You always get time to relax and craft with some biscuits and some tea. Very often with Relax and Craft, you will receive specific tools, gemstones and materials for your monthly challenges. And there are always going to be 3 complete tutorials. Let's take a look inside this. Oh, it's like Christmas. I was too excited to save the paper. I'm normally very thrifty. The shape was something of a giveaway, I'll admit. So that is a really good quality wooden mandrel. Not just for making rings, but really useful for making all kinds of round forms. We've also got a professional ring sizer. So if you have a ring that you already know fits you perfectly, you can slide that off and then slide one of these on, size it up, and you're good to go. You know how to create just for you or indeed to a specific size. We've got some coloured wires in here today. Let's take a look at what we have. You always also get 3 beautiful organza bags. Oh, these are lovely. Okay, so I've got a really dark gunmetal coloured wire there in the 0.9mm. Very beloved gauge for our fleur. We've got 1mm in non-tarnish copper. And then we have both copper and gunmetal in a 0.4 and a 3.15. I think that should be 0.315 in that gunmetal colourway. Really gorgeous to see that. Not dissimilar to your antique bronze. And in the most exciting bag of all, if you're me, we've got a strand of green gemstones. These look to be 4mm rounds. Very glowy, beautiful beads. Absolutely gorgeous smoky quartz and rose quartz. That there is one of my favourite colour combinations. Absolutely delightful. Well, I can't wait to head over onto the Relax and Craft website and find out what my 3 tutorials are for this month. And I know that not only will I be able to make 3 pieces of jewellery, but I will have materials over so that I can make some more pieces as well. That's the Relax and Craft box from Fleur for July 2025. This is Gem from Gemhawks Jewellery.